incredible. Give a huge round of applause for such an amazing performance. Good evening. A very warm welcome. It is my great privilege to welcome you all this evening to our special event, Miraki. The name itself reflects soulful efforts, creativity and love towards humanity. It gives me immense pleasure to share that our Reverend Mother Beninia started this institution on 19th Feb 1934 with limited resources. It is due to her great efforts has made tremendous progress and has reached great heights. And through today's program, Miraki, we are showcasing संघर्ष और सफलता के 90 साल। तो आइए आज के प्रोग्राम का शुभ आरंभ करते हैं। And for this, I would like to call upon stage our amazing anchors Rakshika and Saleha.
Hello everyone. It will be a lot of fun and excitement today because this time I am going to host my school's annual function. Whom should I invite to be my co-host? Oh yes, I can invite Rakshika Di. It's been almost 10 years since she passed out the school. Let me call her.
Hello, who's there?
Hello, I'm Saleha, your junior from St. Anthony's Girls Senior Secondary School.
ओह सालेहा, कैसी हो तुम?
मैं तो बहुत अच्छी हूँ और मेरे पास आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज भी है।
सरप्राइज? कैसा सरप्राइज?
आपको आज अपने स्कूल सेंट एंथनीज गर्ल्स सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल आना होगा।
हाँ हाँ, मैं जरूर आऊंगी। हेलो एवरीवन। हेलो सालेहा।
वेलकम रक्षिका दी। I am so glad you could make it to the 90th anniversary of our school. It's such a big milestone, right?
I know. 10 साल बाद अपने सुंदर स्कूल में फिर से आना मेरे लिए एक सौभाग्य की बात है। Time flies. I am really honored to be here for this special occasion.
Well, actually, there's something I wanted to ask you. I know this might seem a little unexpected, but would you consider co-hosting the annual function with me this evening?
Co-host? With you? That sounds really interesting. But why me?
Well, you're a former student and this is the school's 90th anniversary. I just think it would be amazing to have someone who knows the school's history and has been through it too. It would make it feel extra special. Don't you think?
Yes, it's a privilege for me. मैं थोड़ी इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ।
चलो रक्षिका दी, शुरू करते हैं आज की इस शाम का सफर। रक्षिका दीदी, I am so excited for today's event. How are you feeling?
I am feeling great, Saleha. Yeah, this school is really good. And I must say, the annual day celebrations were always amazing. It was always so much fun. I remember I used to participate in dance performances and also help with decorations and arrangements.
Absolutely. I love how our school promotes unity and cultural diversity. Okay, shall we have with us today?
इस पवित्र अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत करते हुए हम आशा करते हैं कि आज की ये शाम हमारे दिलों में एक नई ऊर्जा और उल्लास का संचार करे। आज का
दीपक की लौ जो प्रतीक है आशा, प्रेम, ज्ञान, विश्वास और उस अलौकिक शक्ति का जो सदैव हमारा मार्ग प्रशस्त करती है और हमारे मन को अंधकार से ज्ञान के प्रकाश की ओर ले जाती है।
May the light of wisdom and knowledge guide us on our journey, and may this occasion be filled with love, joy and celebrations. As a symbol of illumination, light dispels darkness, ignorance and leads us on the path of truth and enlightenment. So let us now have the lighting of ceremonial lamp. For this, I request our chief guest, Ms. Himani Sagar, our manager, Sister Charlotte, our principal, Sister Seema, headmistress of primary school, Sister Poonam, our PTA member, Mohammed Chaman, our staff representative, Ma'am Babita, and our student representative, Sandhya.
Rakshika Didi, I love dance and I think you do too. I've heard that our school's dance team is really good. Can you tell me about our past dancers?
Yes, Salia, our school's dance team has always been outstanding. Our seniors were amazing performers and has won numerous awards. They were excellent in classical dance and this time they are pulling out all the stops.
Oh, do tell. What can we expect from this mesmerizing performance?
Well, Salia, get ready to be dazzled by...
Oh, let me do the honors. Get ready to be mesmerized by the elegance of Bharatnatyam, the vibrant energy of Marathi dance, the graceful movements of Malayalam dance, and the spiritual essence of Sadri dance. Together, these diverse forms will weave a beautiful tapestry that reflects the universal spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Bravo, Salia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our talented dancers as they are going to perform United in Faith.
अर्पण है हमारा तन और मन सदा समर्पण है वंदन प्रभु तुझे वंदन है हमारा शत शत बार तुझे वंदन है अर्पण प्रभु तुझे अर्पण है हमारा तन और मन सदा समर्पण है अर्पण है हमारा तन और मन सदा समर्पण है। वंदन प्रभु तुझे वंदन है हमारा शत शत बार तुझे वंदन है।
ശരണം ശരണം മമ ഗുരുവേ കൃപനീതരണം അടിയങ്ങൾ നിൻ തിരുമുൻപിൽ ഒരു മനമോടെ തിരുനാഥ ശരണം ശരണം മമ ഗുരുവേ കൃപനീതരണം അടിയങ്ങൾ നിൻ തിരുമുൻപിൽ ഒരു മനമോടെ നല്ല ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയോടെ ഞാൻ തിരുസന്നിധി കൈതൊഴുന്നിതാ നല്ല ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയോടെ ഞാൻ തിരുസന്നിധി കൈതൊഴുന്നിതാ.
प्रभु जगाचा तारक आला, प्रभु जगाचा तारक आला, प्रभु जगाचा तारक आला, प्रभु जगाचा तारक आला. प्रभु प्रेमाचा शिकवी धडा, प्रेमाचा शिकवी धडा, बंधू प्रेमास्तव धडपडा, आची संदेश दिला जगाला. प्रभु जगाचा तारक आला, प्रभु जगाचा तारक आला. करी अपार मानवावरी स्वर्ग निवास सोडून आला प्रभू जगाचा तारक आला प्रभू जगाचा तारक आला प्रभू जगाचा तारक आला प्रभू जगाचा तारक आला
अर्पण प्रभु तुझे अर्पण है हमारा तन और मन सदा समर्पण है वंदन प्रभु तुझे वंदन है हमारा शत शत बार तुझे वंदन है अर्पण प्रभु तुझे अर्पण है हमारा तन और मन सदा समर्पण है
क्या विश्वसनीय था। धन्यवाद अपनी प्रतिभा को हमारे साथ साझा करने के लिए।
Now, I would like to invite a very special person to the stage. She is someone who represents the spirit, leadership, and enthusiasm of our school. Our head girl Kaniti Sandhya to welcome our esteemed guests of today's event.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I, Kaniti Sandhya, the head girl of St. Anthony's Girls Senior Secondary School, take the opportunity to welcome the esteemed guests for today's function. Our chief guest is Mr. Vikas Kalia, the Regional Director of Education of North District, Northwest A and B Central District, New Delhi, in the Directorate of Education, GNCT of Delhi. Due to some urgent work, he could not make it to the function today. It's my honor now to introduce the guest of honor, Ms. Himani Sagar, the Civil Judge of Junior Division and Judicial Magistrate of First Class in Faridabad. Ms. Himani Sagar, an alma mater, began her journey right here at St. Anthony's Girls Senior Secondary School. She completed her schooling from our school, then pursued her BS LLB honors from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, Indraprastha University, Delhi, followed by her LLM from Delhi University. In addition to her degrees, she also holds a postgraduate diploma in intellectual property rights from ISIL, Delhi. Her professional experience is equally impressive, having practiced law at the Office of Additional Advocate General, State of Rajasthan and Punjab, under the guidance of Senior Advocate Mr. Ajay Kapoor. She has also contributed to the National Human Rights Commission, further strengthening her dedication to justice and human rights. Her achievements are truly an inspiration for all of us. We are privileged to have Ms. Himani Sagar with us today. Let us welcome her with a huge round of applause. Now, I request our manager, Reverend Sister Charlotte, to present a sapling to our guest of honor, Ms. Himani Sagar, as a token of gratitude. Thank you, sister. We also welcome Reverend Father Vincent D'Souza, Vicar General of Archdiocese of Delhi. I request our principal, Reverend Sister Seema, to present him a sapling. Thank you, sister. We also welcome Reverend Father Balraj, who is the parish priest of St. Anthony's Church. I request Reverend Sister Poonam to present a sapling to him. you, sister. I also extend a warm welcome to our manager, Reverend Sister Charlotte, and Reverend Sister Poonam, who is the headmistress of primary school. We are privileged to have you all with us today. I once again wholeheartedly welcome all our distinguished guests and wonderful audience, and I hope you all will enjoy the event today. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandhya दीदी।
चलो अब अपने अगले प्रदर्शन की ओर बढ़ते हैं।
दीदी, I'm so excited for the next performance.
आज की इस शाम को रोशन करते हैं। हम ईश्वर की याद में एक होकर आओ खुद को भुलाकर सूफी डांस की धुन में खो जाते हैं। Let the rhythmic beats and the whirling movements transport you to our spiritual world. तो चलिए वसुदेव कुटुंबकम की भावना मन में संजोएं। दशाएं हम सब एक हैं, एक ईश्वर की मोहब्बत में। Join us on this journey of self-discovery, inner peace and harmony as we are going to present our dance performance, Rabta.
एक तू है, एक जान है, दोनों तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है। एक
St. Anthony's Girls Senior Secondary School. as we celebrate its 90th anniversary. I am very proud to be a part of this institution.
Indeed, this is momentous occasion. We should celebrate it with great enthusiasm and joy.
दीदी, मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ हमारे स्कूल के इतिहास के बारे में जानने के लिए। क्या आप मुझे बता सकती हैं कि हमारे स्कूल ने 90 वर्षों में क्या-क्या हासिल किया है?
बिल्कुल सालेहा, चलो मैं तुम्हें एक सफर पे ले चलती हूँ। You know your graceful 90 years, जिसमें हमारे स्कूल की 90 वर्षों की यात्रा को दर्शाया गया है, जिसके माध्यम से तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि हमारे स्कूल ने 90 वर्षों में क्या-क्या संघर्ष किए हैं। Let me show you a glimpse of it.
मैं समय हूं। मेरा जन्म सृष्टि के निर्माण के साथ हुआ था। मैं पिछले युग में था, इस युग में भी हूं और आगे आने वाले युगों तक रहूंगा। मैं युग युगांतर से हर घटना का साक्षी रहा हूं। आज इस पावन अवसर पर जब हम स्कूल की 90वीं वर्षगांठ का पर्व मना रहे हैं, चलिए आपको ले चलता हूं 1934 के उस दौर में जब एक इटालियन मिशनरी मदर बेनिनिया गेस्टाल्डन दिल्ली पहुंची लड़कियों की शिक्षा के मिशन के साथ। यहां आकर उन्होंने आर्च बिशप के आग्रह पर सेंट एंथनी स्कूल का कार्यभार संभाला, जो अब तक फादर ल्यूइस की देखरेख में चल रहा था। फरवरी 1934 का दिन प्रातः 11:30 पर जब मदर बेनिनिया ने सिस्टर एंटोनिया के साथ अपने इस कर्मभूमि पर कदम रखा, कोई उनका स्वागत करने वाला भी नहीं था। अज्ञानता रूपी धूल से सने वातावरण में वे ज्ञान के सूर्य के रूप में उदित हुई।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं,
धूल छटती गई और मिशन आगे बढ़ता गया।
It was not easy. I went to many adjoining areas like Nabi Karim, Mori Gate, Karol Bagh, Sabzi Mandi and Daryaganj. During those days, all these areas, including Paharganj, were poverty-stricken. Areas steeped in ill health, crime and garbage. Needless to say, it was a Herculean task. And me, being a foreigner, did not help. People looked upon me with distrust. But I didn't give up. I continued visiting these families, trying to persuade them to send their children to school. Slowly, they started sending their sons, who later started bringing their sisters with them.
मैं चलता रहा और मेरे साथ इनके संघर्षों का चक्र चलता रहा। एकाएक उनके मिशन में एक मोड़ आया। 1 मई 1935 को एक 11 वर्षीय बच्ची को मदर जी की शरण में लाया गया। उस बच्ची में मदर जी ने प्रभु का रूप देखकर निसंकोच उसे अपनाया और इस प्रकार सेंट एंथनीज ऑर्फनेज की शुरुआत हुई।
तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम।
एक वर्ष के भीतर यहां बेसहारा बच्चों की संख्या बढ़कर 18 तक पहुंच गई। न केवल दिल्ली बल्कि पंजाब, हिसार, सिरसा, अंबाला से भी बच्चे यहां आने लगे। वक्त के इम्तिहान कठिन जरूर होते हैं, लेकिन उनका अंजाम आपकी मेहनत पर निर्भर करता है।
One day, I was wondering how to feed and clothe these children, pay for the teachers, and buy furniture.
What is upsetting you, Sister Benigna?
Oh Father, how will I take care of these lovely children put into my care by God? How will I pay my teachers?
Don't worry. You are the daughter of Saint Francis of Assisi. Follow his example. Don't be ashamed to beg. Go knock. Ask everywhere.
Taking Father Luke's advice, I went from door to door. And do you know, I collected 10 rupees.
She even did embroidery and filigree work, which she took from house to house in posh areas like Akbar Road, Prithviraj Road, Tilak Lane, etc. It was here that she met influential people like Amrit Kaur, Lady Irwin, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, and Indira Gandhi. Many of these ladies later organized Christmas trees and Easter baskets for the children and charity bazaars for the sisters. जैसे एक नदी निरंतर प्रवाहित होती है, मैं भी आगे बढ़ता रहा। समस्याएं आती रही, उनका आना एक संकेत था अच्छे बदलाव का। समय जब न्याय करता है तो किसी गवाह की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। 22 अप्रैल 1936 का वो शुभ दिन आया जब ऑर्फनेज को पहला वार्षिक अनुदान प्राप्त हुआ और 26 मई 1936 को स्कूल को रिकॉग्निशन प्राप्त हुई। मदर जी ने न केवल बेसहारा बच्चों को अपनाया बल्कि उनके लिए एक मां के रूप में अपना कर्तव्य पूर्ण किया। 1 जुलाई 1942 के दिन बच्चों ने ऑर्फनेज में पहली बार एक विवाह समारोह देखा।
My dear Teresa and Johar Luke, may God bless you with a happy married life. Johar, take good care of my daughter Teresa. I give her to you in good faith.
Mother ji, how do you manage to get your daughters married off without any dowry?
My God never lets me down. He is infinitely merciful.
अगस्त 1947 ब्रिटिश सरकार का तख्ता पलटा और भारत आजाद हुआ और साथ आया भारत पाकिस्तान विभाजन, जो अपने साथ लाया सांप्रदायिक दंगे, अहिंसा और खून खराबा। भाई भाई का दुश्मन हुआ।
मदर जी, दरवाजा ना खोलें, पुलिस के ऑर्डर्स हैं।
मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती, उन्हें मेरी जरूरत है। मैं दरवाजा जरूर खोलूंगी।
मदर जी took care of them, soothed their fears till they could be sent back to Pakistan by the government.
समय का पहिया चला और दौर फिर से बदला। मदर जी में उम्मीद की किरण जागी। हाथ में केवल 7 रुपए और मन में विश्वास करोड़ों डॉलर का।
God's grace shone upon us. The government was now willing to support us. So I went ahead, holding God's hand, and raised the school to the middle grade and got it recognized in 2 years. By 1956, this beautiful school had become a senior secondary school. And do you know, it was the first school to introduce bilingual classes in the capital.
मदर जी के अथक प्रयास रंग लाए। न केवल स्कूल के रिकॉग्निशन बल्कि एक एक ईंट जोड़कर स्कूल की इमारत को 3 मंजिला बनाने तक। यहाँ अंग्रेजी पर भी जोर दिया जा रहा था, जो सरकार को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया।
If you teach English here, we will not give you grant in aid.
Do you want to learn English, children?
Yes, Motherji.
Dear sir, I will teach them English as they are the future, and the future of India lies in the mastery of English.
मैं अकेला ही चलता रहा जानिबे गालिब, मगर लोग साथ जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया। विकास की कड़ियां जुड़ती गईं। एक सीढ़ी और चढ़कर स्कूल 1970 में सीबीएसई से एफिलिएट हुआ और 1977 में सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल को भी एफिलिएशन प्राप्त हुआ। मदर जी का बच्चों के प्रति प्रेम सब नहीं समझ पाते थे। बच्चे कभी नाराज भी हो जाते, परंतु सही समय आने पर ही उस प्रेम के असली मायने समझ पाते।
Dear children, you have to give me a return payment for all I have done for you. After all, you are earning now.
This is unfair. Mother Ji is taking away all our salary.
No, I don't want to give my money.
Hurry up, children. All of you have to contribute. ये लो सेलिना, तुम्हारा वेडिंग गिफ्ट। एक पासबुक जिसमें तुम्हारे दिए गए पैसों का पूरा हिसाब है। वही 1000 रुपए आज 10,000 बन गए हैं, जो जीवन के इस पड़ाव पर तुम्हारे बहुत काम आएंगे। अब तो दुखी नहीं होना।
मदर जी के प्यार और आशीर्वाद से यह स्कूल सफलता की ऊंचाइयां छूता गया। 1989 में मदर जी का स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ने लगा और 26 मार्च 1994 में उन्होंने जीवन की अंतिम सांस ली। यह सबके लिए एक दुखद क्षण था, परंतु उनके आशीषों से यह पौधा पल्लवित होता रहा, अपने पुष्पों की सुगंध फैलाता रहा।
जब हम न होंगे, जब हमारी खाक पे तुम रुकोगे, चलते चलते अश्कों से भीगी चांदनी में एक सदा सी सुनोगे, चलते चलते
वहीं पे कहीं तुमसे मिलेंगे, बनके करीब, बनके सबा, बागे वफा में रही न रही मेरा करेंगे, बनके करीब, बनके सबा, बागे वफा सन 1995 में
इस विद्यालय में एक नए पाठ्यक्रम की शुरुआत हुई। स्कूल के बच्चों को अब कॉमर्स पढ़ने के लिए स्कूल छोड़कर नहीं जाना पड़ता था।
All the principals, Mrs. Yesudasan, Sister Agatha, Sister Joseph, and Sister Lucy, with the blessing of God, have taken the school from height to height. And now, Sister Seema continues to uphold the same spirit, carrying the Antonian baton forward. I am also blessed to have a cooperative staff who give their all to make this institute shine.
सभी प्रिंसिपल्स की छत्र छाया में स्कूल ने अनेक मुकाम हासिल किए, चाहे असहायों को सहारा देने की बात हो या अनेक सेमिनार्स, एग्जीबिशन, वर्कशॉप आयोजित करना हो या फिर केबीसी में इस स्कूल की छात्राओं की सफल भागीदारी। बच्चों की सुविधाओं के लिए आरओ वाटर कूलर और कंप्यूटर शिक्षा की शुरुआत की गई। स्मार्ट बोर्ड ने लर्निंग को और रोचक बना दिया। कोरोना काल में यहाँ आश्रय शिविर लगाया गया और बेघर लोगों को रहने के लिए छत और भोजन के साथ साथ अन्य सभी सुविधाएं प्रदान की गई। स्कूल के बच्चों को सांस्कृतिक प्रदर्शन के लिए तिहाड़ जेल भी ले जाया गया और वहां उन्होंने कैदियों का दिल जीता। इस प्रकार बच्चे वृद्धाश्रम, पुलिस स्टेशन, रोड सेफ्टी पार्क भी गए। समय समय पर यहाँ शैक्षिक भ्रमण भी आयोजित किए जाते हैं।
It amazes me to see the children excel in so many fields. The school aims to develop creative and aesthetic skills like the performing arts such as dance, theatre, storytelling, mime, stand-up comedy, etc. Intellectual skills are definitely promoted by encouraging activities like quizzes, Olympiads, puzzles, brain games, poetry, debates, extempore, and many more. Social skills are also developed through teamwork in different competitions like Christmas tree decoration, bulletin board displays, class decoration, daily assemblies, the choir group, street plays, awareness rallies in the vicinity, etc. Sports plays a prime role in the physical development of the children. To improve their immunity and to help them focus, the school promotes physical activities like exercise drills, yoga, march past, track events, kabaddi, basketball, volleyball, kho-kho, and many others. Indoor games are also a part of the school activities. The school band is the best in the zone. The school was also part of Scouts and Guides for a very long time. To inculcate the scientific temperament and to enhance their critical thinking, the school has participated in various competitions like working models, charts, poster making, sign tunes, slogans, cybercrime awareness activities, making of digital projects to keep the children at par with the fast-moving tech-savvy world. Last but not the least, the emotional and spiritual development of the child is given equal weightage. Students have been taken to orphanages and old age homes to inculcate empathy. Cleanliness drives and personal hygiene awareness is an important agenda for the school. Money and material have been collected from time to time for the natural calamity afflicted people. Nature is also given equal importance as we celebrate one Mahotsav every year in a grand manner. The school has also invited many resource persons to create awareness among the students. We regularly have disaster management drills and awareness programs, first aid awareness programs, awareness among children about puberty by Saheli. Career counselors come time and again to guide students. The school has taken students to fire stations, police stations, the Tihar jail, Amrit Udyan, historical monuments, museums to increase awareness of the world outside.
और आज इस स्कूल की छात्राएं समाज के हर क्षेत्र में ऊंचे ऊंचे पदों पर आसीन हैं। सिविल सेवा हो या न्याय व्यवस्था, चिकित्सा क्षेत्र या एनसीसी शिक्षा हो या बैंकिंग, एंथोनियंस ने हर जगह अपने परचम को लहराया है। चलिए देखते हैं इन चमकते सितारों को।
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीन पे देके जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
As I look down today, I'm extremely happy to see the seeds of education that I had sown blossom into such a beautiful tree with its branches spread out all over society. My dream of educating the girl child has come true. It also gives me great pleasure to see that in this garden with different flowers from different religions, financial strata, etc., no one is discriminated against. Everyone, be it teacher or child, is united and coexist in peace and joy. I can see they are one as a family, the Antonian family. I pray that the blessings of God showers down upon my school forever.
रख दो।
a dream of more than wanna be. I wanna be free. That's what my heart keeps telling me. Give me your heart.
We'll find a way
There's people out
to
there.
feel the same.
If we help each other, I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share our dreams. We'll be amongst the stars, and we know that is destiny. And we are unity. And we are unity. We are unity.
Wow, it was a wonderful performance, as if the pages of the school's history have turned to light with sparkling events of grace and success. तो दोस्तों, अब समय आ गया है हमारे शो के अगले आकर्षण का।
हाँ, अब हम आपको एक ऐसी जगह पर ले जाएंगे जो अपनी संस्कृति, कला और खुशी के लिए प्रसिद्ध है।
Let's take you to the land of festival and joy. The place influenced by Indian and Portuguese culture and the center of diverse art and craft. Yes, we are talking about Goa. Goan dance is a blend of Indian and Western dance forms that reflects the state's rich cultural heritage. तो चलिए, चमकीले चटक लाल रंग में डूबे, गले में फूलों की माला पहने, पारंपरिक पोशाकों में सजे धजे इन डांसर्स की खुशी में हम भी शामिल हो जाएं।
Let's welcome Maria Pitashe with a huge round of applause.
Oh Maria Pitashe, 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 oh Maria Pitashe. I like
such a wonderful and praiseworthy performance. Please give a huge round of applause. And I'm sure you all are enjoying the program today. Finally, it's time for the most awaited moment. That is the prize distribution. For this, I would like to request our guest of honor, Ms. Himani Sagar and Reverend Sister Seema to please come up on stage. Winners don't do different things, they do it differently. May I now call upon Class 10th topper Vani Jha, who scored 94.4% in the CBSE board examination with her consistent and dedicated approach. Please give a huge round of applause. Congratulations, Vani. Now from class 12, I would like to first call upon our science topper Tanishka Sen, who scored 90.6% in CBSE board examination. Please give a huge round of applause. इन बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है, यहाँ तक पहुँचना, इतनी परसेंटेज लेना वाकई ही आसान नहीं है. Now from commerce, Sadaf, who scored 91%. तालियों से प्लीज उनका उत्साह बढ़ाइए. And in the next category, from arts, I am happy to share this time we have two toppers, Charu and Kushi, who scored 90.6% in 12th board examination. Charu and Kushi. Truly, these students have proved that nothing is impossible with sincerity and desire to excel. Once again, congratulations to all of you. It's time for now some special prizes for the student who scored highest marks in different subjects in 12th board examination. These prizes are sponsored by our school teachers. In this category of prizes, I would like to first call upon Divyani Gola, who scored highest marks in chemistry, that is 97 marks. She is awarded with a cash prize sponsored by our retired teacher, Mem Gore, in the name of her beloved husband, Colonel Yogendra Singh Rathod. Please give a huge round of applause. Our next scholars are Amanpreet Kaur and Shreya Gupta, skilled in mathematics and very talented. They both scored 95% in maths in 12th board. Give a huge round of applause for Amanpreet and Shreya Gupta. This cash prize is sponsored by Ma'am Asha. And now, history topper, none other than Kushi, who scored 96% in 12th CBSE board examination. Please give a huge round of applause. This cash prize is awarded by our retired teacher, Ma'am Ansu Thomas. And now another bright student who excelled not only in academics but has shown great merit in co-curricular activities and behavior also. This excellence award is awarded to Shreya Agarwal. Please give a huge round of applause. Shreya Agarwal. This prize is also sponsored by our school teacher. May I now request Sister Charlotte to please come upon stage and felicitate our guest of honor. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you, sister.
My name is Himani Sagar. As you all know, I am a sitting judge in Faridabad. So my journey started here since kindergarten to the 12th standard. I took inspiration from others, how to behave well, how to be a good human being, and how to make your parents and your school proud. After 12th standard, I did my BLLB honors from Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, IP University, and thereafter I did my LLM from Delhi University. And this was my very first attempt for the Haryana Judicial Services, and with the God's blessing and the support of my family and every other person working after me, I could achieve this. I was not prepared to deliver a speech, but I would like to share my experience. I used to take part in the school annual day function. I used to be part of the yoga participants. My parents have been very, very supportive, and I don't think that this journey could have been possible without the contribution of this esteemed school. I can very well recollect the contribution of each and every person, each and every teacher behind this pedestal where I am standing today. I have very stupid, I'll say, memories of my school days. I was never that kind of an academic person, and I remember I took science field and I could not be very well with my physics, so I was given very bad marks. But that taught me a very good lesson that in life you should accept your failures and you should take it to your heart, I will say, and move forward and work in order to make your parents proud, because whatever they are doing today, I believe no one can do it for you. They are working day in and day out to mint money and spend for the school fees. And the contribution, the emotional, the physical attachment that they have towards you, that is unparalleled, I will say. Similarly, the school has a very, very huge role here, because I learned a very basic and a very important lesson from the school, that is to never ever judge anyone on the basis of their financial status, on any other parameter. This school has taught me a lot. As a judge, I am supposed to be neutral while I sit there and I decide for anyone's life, or I'll say property, or anyone's liberty for that matter. And to be unparalleled is something that I was taught here. Since kindergarten, we are taught to not to show off whatever resources we have, and we have to be very, very grateful for whatever we have. Similarly, our teachers and the sisters, they have made sure that no one is made to feel bad regarding the resources of other person. For instance, I'll share a very small incident that happened to me. I was very fond of celebrating my birthdays, and at that particular point of time, we had Sister Joseph, who very politely refused that, no, this is not the way that you're going to celebrate, because we have an orphanage. And there are people who will feel bad about lack of resources on their part. And that is something I feel was very important as a child to be taught to me, that you need to appreciate whatever you have, but you never make fun of others. Similarly, there were other things, and I can't, refuse the contribution that yoga had played in my life. Even in the academy, we are made to, wake up as early as 6:30 and forced to do yoga, because mental health is something that is very much affected. I would also like to thank my mother. She had played a huge role in my success. She used to wake up at 4. I was the weakest amongst her children. I used to study. I was good at extracurricular, but I used to shy away from studies. So she used to wake me up at 4 a.m. early in the morning, prepare tea for me during the exam days, and I used to have the tea and doze off. So she had contributed a lot, and I feel that all the parents, they should always support their children. Not everyone has the same potential, but always motivate them to excel in whatever they feel good at. Another thing that I would like to say is, of course, girl education and everything is a lot taken care of at this stage, but the time I used to study, people were of the opinion that if there's a girl child, give her a mediocre or maybe, less education, and always give education more to the boy because of course he is going to take care of the family. But I would like to put it forth that it is not so. A daughter is the most responsible part of the family. She will take care of you emotionally and she will be there for you throughout. And one important issue that I always face as a judge is that people, they don't face much of an attention when an issue regarding the security of a female is put forth. There are cases when POCSO cases are there, serious issues have happened with the child. So always pay attention to whatever your child is facing through. It could start from a mere bully and could lead to mental stress, or maybe the child itself taking his or her life. So it is a duty of a parent to always listen to whatever the child is going through and be very, very supportive. It doesn't matter that a person is good at academics. He or she could be very good with the other extracurricular activities. And it is our duty as a parent to always support. And it is our duty as the students, as the Anthonians, to always make the school proud. And I am sure I will see many of you, joining the judicial services. And I would like to share, stories with you regarding the Anthonians. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your pearls of wisdom. It was such a nice experience to learn about the insights of your beautiful journey. Thank you so much. Please give a huge round of applause for our guest of honor.
The curtains are about to rise. The lights are shining bright. And the stage is set for an unforgettable performance. Experience the fusion of tradition and innovation. Itihas Ka Aina, a breathtaking Kathak and contemporary dance celebrating girls' empowerment and equality. So welcome them with a thunderous applause.
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूँ, तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा हूँ। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी गहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ, मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ। विज्ञान में और किसान में हूँ, हर वीर में और जवान में हूँ। मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ।
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान भी कदमों में। रुको न सपनों के तूफानों को, रुको न जज्बों की उड़ानों को, रुको न आंखों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे। जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है, जिगरा है। जिगरे से निकलेगी चिंगारियां।
Hey Salha, are you ready for a big show?
Yeah, Rakshika Didi, I am super excited. Our next performance is a thrilling action dance titled Hasna Mana Hai.
And as I always say, action speaks louder than the words. And now our students will show you that even in silence there can be lots of expressions and emotions.
So, are you all ready to experience the magic of Hasna Mana Hai? Please give a big round of applause to our talented dancers.
अरे हे ला 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 ला। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या हम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, क्या हम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो, तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा
Now I request Reverend Sister Charlotte, our manager, to please come upon stage to felicitate our teachers. Sister, please. Please give a huge round of applause. अब बारी है स्टूडेंट्स टॉपर को टॉपर्स बनाने में अपनी सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाने वाले हमारे शिक्षकों की। जी हाँ, we are fortunate that this year 3 of our teachers have completed 25 years of their service in this institution. विद्यालय की विकास यात्रा के हर चरण पर ये अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देते आए हैं। And for this, I invite Ma'am Vibha Tomar to please come upon stage. She joined this institute on 11 January 1999. She is serving as PGT Hindi. अपने विषय की अच्छी ज्ञाता होने के साथ साथ मैम सभी बच्चों की भी प्रिय है। Very active, lively and confident. Always smiling and ready to help the students always. Congratulations, ma'am. अगला नाम है मैम रुक्मणी सिंह का, जिन्होंने ये स्कूल 11 जनवरी 1999 में ज्वाइन किया। प्लीज वेलकम हर विद अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। वे लाइब्रेरियन के पद पर कार्यरत हैं। अ वेरी डेडिकेटेड टीचर एंड एन एविड रीडर। हर लव is not limited to books only, but her loving approach encourages students to spend more time in library. Moreover, she is very good at art and craft. You can see the decorations are all around. इनमें इनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है आज। Now I invite Ma'am Sindhu Saju on stage. Ma'am also joined this institute on 11th January 1999. She is serving as lab assistant. पिछले 25 वर्षों से विद्यालय में अपना प्रशंसनीय योगदान दे रही हैं। She is very hardworking, humble, soft-spoken and a sincere person. She very efficiently manages all the tasks assigned to her.
Hey Saleha, are you ready to rock the stage with some Punjabi swar?
हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं। की सिफत करा मैं पंजाबिया दी, मेरे कोल अल्फाज ही मुक जाते ने। रूप लगदा है तेरा चंद जिहा, जिन्नू तक साह ही रुक जाते ने। गिद्धिया बोलिया भंगड़ा महफिल दी शान बढ़ाउंदी है। पंजाबना जद नचदी है, ढोल नगाड़े बजदे ने। वखरा ही इन्हां दा रूप है, वखरा ही स्वैग है।
क्या बात है! Now our dancers will take this stage to showcase their energetic and captivating Gidda dance performance.
अंबर सरिया मुटियारा।
वारी वरसी खटन गया सी खटके ले आंदी चूड़िया। गिद्दा दा सजदा जब नचे पंजाब दी कुड़िया। गिद्दा दा सजदा।
ਨਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ, ਲੱਕ ਨਾਲ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਤੇ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ। चंगा बच्चे आऊगी गली जादार दी असी मिलनों तेरा कदे होने लुटा होले होले जहर संग मारी असी मिलनों तेरा कदे होने लुटा होले होले जहर जस्सिया पहला तेरे नैन में देखे फिर देखिया तैनू नी पहला तेरे नैन में देखे फिर देखिया तैनू नी छेती आके मर जा बीबा मर जाया के मैनू नी छेती आके मर जा बीबा मर जाया के ओ बसों बार दिल हो गया बसों बार दिल हो गया कोई चलदा ना चारा तेरे बिना ना गुजारा कोई चलदा ना चारा तेरे बिना ना गुजारा
Their energy was very spontaneous and vibrant. Let's welcome Reverend Sister Gitika to propose the vote of thanks.
Attitude is a quality similar to electricity. It must be produced and discharged and used up in order to exist at all. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we come to the close of this joyous occasion, I am honored to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire school community. As it is said, the prayer most acceptable to God is the one that comes from a thankful heart, and to begin with, a heart full of thanks goes to God Almighty for blessing the Anthonian family with a wondrous 90 years. He is the giver of everything, and blessed are we, the recipients. We are abundantly indebted to our chief guest, Mr. Vikas Kalia, the Regional Director of Education, North and Northwest Districts, AB of Central Districts, New Delhi, in the Directorate of Education, GNCT of Delhi. Due to some inexorable official duty, he could not make it to be present with us today. Our sincere gratitude goes out to our guest of honor, Ms. Himani Sagar, the civil judge and civil magistrate, for joining us and making this occasion even more meaningful. Your presence as an ex-Anthonian has filled this evening with pride and motivation, and your encouraging words have enriched this celebration. We are extremely thankful to Father Balraj Luthswamy, the parish priest of St. Anthony's Church, Pahaduganj, all the fathers, sisters, dignitaries, benefactors and well-wishers present here today. We thank you for your benign presence and the valuable insights you bring. Your presence here is a source of strength and inspiration for us. Our heart goes out in gratitude to our ex-teachers for assuring their presence at this historical event. We could not have reached the peak of wondrous 90 without your contribution. We appreciate you, for you have played an indispensable role in building SAGSS into great 90. Now, to our talented students, you are the stars of today's event, dear students. Your performances were outstanding and showcased your dedication, creativity and hard work. We are incredibly proud of you and every one of you. Let us now put our hands together and give them a huge round of applause. We gratefully extend our appreciation to our parents, guardians and PTA members for their boundless support and encouragement. Your involvement and enthusiasm played a vital role in accomplishment of this event. We acknowledge and appreciate and thank the teachers for their tireless efforts in organizing this event. Your hard work and commitment to excellence are truly commendable. Without your commitment and teamwork, none of this would have been possible. Our sincere thanks are directed towards the SHO of Nabi Karim for the support in providing security and making arrangement for the smooth flow of the traffic. We are also grateful to all those concerned in providing lighting and sound system, stage setting and camera team. Our deep gratitude for the hard work of the support staff and volunteers and all those who have contributed your efforts behind the scenes. You have ensured the smooth running of today's program. We extend our words of gratitude to the architects of this event, namely Sister Charlotte, our manager, Sister Seema, our principal. Today's function is the result of their far-sightedness and commitment. Our wholehearted thankfulness to Sister Charlotte for her vision, magnetic leadership and firm support as the driving force behind the success of this event. Thank you, Sister, for your encouragement and fostering this institution with dedication and purpose. It took months to plan, design and prepare this program. To accomplish such a mammoth task is required a person with skillful vision, planning and execution. We find all these qualities in Sister Seema, our worthy principal, under whose able guidance and management the competent teachers found new views and ideas to explore the talents of the students and polish them. Thank you, sister, for your focused leadership and dedication to our school. Your vision and guidance have been instrumental in making this event a grand success. Once again, thank you all of you present here and for your participation. You have made this Miraki an extraordinary successful episode. Have a wonderful and safe travels back home. Thank you to everyone once again.
Thank you, sister. And now, friends, get ready for our grand finale.
Yes, Alia, the wait is finally over. The grand finale has arrived. Our students unite on the stage to perform a dance performance, Saransh. So welcome them with a huge round of applause.
इस दुनिया में प्यार फैलाएंगे, खुशियों का उत्सव मनाएंगे, एक ही साथ मिलेंगे हम। वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्, हे वसुधैव 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 कुटुम्बकम्, एक ही ईश्वर एक ही ज्ञान, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्। इस पल में हमें जीना है, सबको गले लगाना है, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्। कुछ ही तो मान के चलो, कुछ ही तो जान के चलो, सबको गले लगाते चलो। हे वसुधैव 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 कुटुम्बकम्, एक ही साथ जिएंगे हम, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्।
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, 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 no. सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो तेरी बदन की लाल है, यूं ही आया ख्याल है, बातें हमें जिंदगी एक मान, क्या बुरा करेंगे हम इसका ध्यान, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और नहीं। Take the world, made you cry. Ooh, made you cry. Take the world, made you cry. Ooh, made
Good evening, everyone. On this joyous occasion of our 90th annual day, I would like to extend warm Christmas greetings to everyone present. In the Bible, we read in John chapter 3 verse 16, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, so that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life." The birth of Jesus Christ, humble and pure in a stable, brings light into the world, offering us hope, peace, and joy. On behalf of the Anthonian family, I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.